So, today, once again, another episode of the McCulloch chainsaw. I'm trying to break these up a bit. I don't want to do these all the time, but I have been trying to get this thing done little by little and taking time, kind of away from it because this project is pissing me off. I'm not going to lie. Right now, I'm going to show you a little bit about what I got going on. This is all back together. Everything's been cleaned up for the most part. The carburetor is... Hold on now. Carburetor is rebuilt and done. I just need to put the little baffles back on it. So, right now I'm cleaning up the oil pump, I guess what you would call it, chainsaw. I was trying to save the muffler on this thing, and it just there's not. I got it cleaned up. I don't know if you can see that too good. I got it cleaned up really good, but the inside of it, it's all to hell. So, and there's no way that I know of anyways, to separate them, and the screen is completely clogged on it. So I'm just gonna go out and get a new screen and a new muffler. But the bolts, all that's fine. That's good. The body itself is kind of so I'm just hitting that with some spray paint. The goal with this whole saw thing is I don't really care about it looking like brand new. It's not the goal. Really the goal is just to take an old saw, get it working, and that's that. Anyways, on other news is I'm gonna try to get the bike going, and I'm going to try to get some footage with going on rides with the Honda Shadow. So what's going on with the Honda Shadow is, as far as I know, after I did the carburetor, I have a float sticking. I got no fuel coming into the rear part of that carburetor. I did order some new clamps for the breather and all of that, because those are in really terrible shape, and I just kind of I was winging it. So I was like, all right, well, they'll do for now, and they did. But with me having to pull it back off, I knew if I had to pull them back off that I was going to have to replace them. There was no getting around that. And that's what I had to do. So, and some of them were on back order, so I had to kind of wait. I think it took about a week for them to even ship out, so I'm still waiting on those. But I think sometime this week I'm going to start on the carburetor. I'm going to pull it off. I'm going to make sure it is the float sticking, and if that's the case, or if it's not the case and the float's doing whatever and I'm just not getting fuel, I'm probably going to send the carburetor off and have it completely gone through and pulled apart and done the right way. Also, I have a fork that's leaking. It's always something with this bike. And I've only rode it a handful of times. So I'm going to try to get that done. I'm going to let you see me do a little bit here on the chainsaw today. Pretty easy video, pretty laid back, so hope you enjoy it. Alright, so here we are. Like I said, we got this put back together. I did lose a bolt, though. It kind of took me a minute, and I found this one right there. And if you can see... oh, wait. There we go. So, hey, it works the way I look at it. No such thing as trying to make things picture perfect, especially when you're just dealing with a chainsaw. I mean, this isn't a show car. This is a freaking chainsaw. Don't be on this shit, people. Just, if you can avoid it, avoid it. So, and yeah, So, anyways, I was working on cleaning this up. I don't know how far I'm going to get with this today. Like I said, I've been doing this little by little. Got the carburetor all done, so, and really, I don't even know where some of this shit even goes. So, and my diagram's inside. So that's kind of what we got going on. Yeah, I Honestly, I don't know where some of this shit goes for real. I ain't joking, man. I ain't joking. I'm being serious. So, what I'm trying to do is get all the bolts and all this crap all nice and cleaned up. Just, it's all about everything needing to flow. You can flow or you can crash. Oh. So we're just going to pull this sucker apart. There we go. Ain't much to it. It's just, the main goal is, like I said, we're just cleaning everything up real nice, you know. I don't know if this part comes out or not. We're going to find out today. Nope, that's made in. That's cool. I do got some fabric brushes on the Dremel that I'm probably going to use for this because this sucker is caked on pretty good. I don't know what this goes to. We're going to find out. Oh. Oh shit. Damn! Well, that's cleaned out. Okay. That's what I was saying. Got these little brushes here. These are the fabric ones. Good thing about these, they're not abrasive, you know, so you can just kind of go to town with that sucker and not worry about, you know, destroying shit. And you do not want to take a wire brush to this plastic, especially that shit being like 100 years old. You will be hating yourself after that. You be like, damn it! I just dropped something too. You be like, damn it! What have I done with my life? It's got a little sleeve it goes down into. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. I'm not too worried about the spring because this sets in oil anyways. It's got no debris on it. So that just goes right down. Right there. I have my way of doing things, I know. Some people would probably disagree with how I do it. But, you know, I'm not popular enough on YouTube for anyone to really pay any attention, so I really don't give a shit. Even if I was, like, you know, big, popular YouTube giant Eric. But you better move out of my way, little people. I think that'd be alright. That looks alright. I'm trying to remember how that frick. Well, here, this is the bar. This is where your bar is going to go. And here's your oil feeder. And you got a tube that comes out here. And it's going to feed down into there. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So, matter of fact, ooh, we might want to clean that out a little bit though. Hey! Got the damn mucous membrane. That's going to go right here. Just gotta get. Okay, so oil line back in. There is another line that goes here, but that's somewhere else. It's not important. that's all I'm going to do on this video. Is basically we put the oil filler on. I did off camera begin working the process of sparkulator here. All right, that's it for this one. I know it's another short one. I'm not trying to make these real long. It's a tedious process, so I'm trying to do little by little. So I hope you're liking it. It's not one of my funner things to do, but stay tuned because I have the video coming up for the Honda Shadow, and I have some other things that are coming up. So make sure you like and subscribe to Broken Clutch. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.